everybody, I'm coming to you again tonight to just tell you a little bit about some mini albums that I created, and I did bring this up previously and showed you my mini albums, but I am doing the kits now for anybody who's interested. I'm going to show you today what they look like, and if you're interested in doing these, I am going to start kitting them up, so please let me know, because I only want to make the amount of kits that people are requesting. We have the Photo Play Monterey Bay one and the COVID-19 one with full descriptions coming right after I talk to you now. And down the road eventually I might be doing the Simple Stories, Simple Garden Vintage District if I can still get it. And if I can't get that one, it will be the same kind of design but with a different Simple Stories line. So anyways, I hope you like these albums. I put a lot of thought into them, but I truly do enjoy making mini albums. It's a passion of mine and I really enjoy it. And they're just a lot of fun little things, and it's a great gift to give somebody if you don't want to keep it yourself. So yeah, it's great. And I mean, with all of these albums I'm making, there are instructions, and you could pay extra and I could do you a tutorial video or walk you through it on a Zoom call. So it's totally up to you. That is an option as well. So anyways, I will get on with the show, have a look at what these videos entail with the different designs and the descriptions of these albums, and I will chat with you in a few minutes. This is a album I just made with the Simple Stories Vintage Garden District. This is Teresa Collins plastic paper, which I absolutely love, and I use a lot in my mini albums. So this will give you an idea of a little bit of my style. Here's a flippy flap. Love these flippy flaps. I didn't tack any of these down because it's a class I'm teaching, so I can show people how to put the pictures in and then stick them down after. Here's another Teresa Collins paper. Love it. And this one, pick it up. So I have lots of flips and flaps and things in my creations, which I absolutely love. This one, same thing. And I love dimensions, so I use a lot of mounting squares and post things that way. This is, again, not stuck down. Same with this. And this has tags, so these tags will come out of this envelope. You can put whatever you want on it. And that is one project. So I will show you the other albums. Here's another album. This is the Photo Play Monterey Bay, and if you go on my YouTube, I believe I did post this, but this is again another class I'm teaching, and this has a lot of pages to it. This also is 6x6, so there's a little bit you can put pictures or journal. I added some bags that I got from a local store, which I love. This is just something you can write on. I did that with cardstock, and same thing. Lots of cool stuff that was done on my Cameo. This is Teresa Collins paper. I use a lot of that, so that's on that. This is a tag that pulls up. So there's that one. Another bag, different color this time. Same thing, you can put some journaling or a picture. This is just a little flap. And this is a flippy flap. And this one is a tri-fold. So it goes like that. And this is just a little something I made myself to pop on there. This is another tag on the other side that pops out. This is another flip. And I love these. Love mini albums. Another Teresa Collins paper. Flip that flap. And there's that one. You can put pictures or journaling. Another bag. And that you can do something on either side. Another Cameo pop off, that one on there. Same thing, journaling or picture. This is another tag, it pulls out. Both of those were done on the Cameo. Another bag, but on the bag there's also a flippy flap. That, you can put that on there. Another flippy flap. And this is 3 tags that pull out. That was done on the Cameo. And again, this is another class I'm teaching. This is the Simple Stories Say Cheese line. I made a Disneyland album right before the pandemic. And this is another class I'm teaching. This is, again, another flippy flap. So this pulls out and you can write or put something on either side. And I put the dimensions and everything as I am teaching this, and it was going to be a virtual class. And you put things on either side of that one. Yeah, I love making mini albums. Scrapbooking, the whole works. I love anything creative. This is a waterfall. So there's that, and they're all 3.5 by 3.5. This album is a 6 by 6. There's that. You can put journaling or picture, and then here's a tag that pulls out, so that pulls out there. Same thing. This I did on the Cameo, just a Tinkerbell die cut. There's this. And then that's the end. So there's that album. So that's a look at the albums. If you're interested in doing any of these, can you please let me know? You can send me an email at irememberwhen@shaw.ca, or you can leave me a message in my direct messages or a PM within Facebook. They're great kits. I'm coming up with a price. It just really depends on what you would like to do, whether you just want the kit, if you want the instructions, if you want full out tutorials. It's totally up to you. So just let me know, and don't forget to like this feed and subscribe on YouTube. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day and happy scrapping.